you have kids and you want them to help you clean, or you just don't know what to do with them while you're cleaning, watch this video and let me help you figure out what kids can do while you're cleaning. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. I need to clean this bathroom, and these two want to help. So what I'm going to do is just grab some rags, get them wet. It can be warm water, it can be cold water, it can just be lukewarm. Depends on the temperature outside and like what they're comfortable with, what you're comfortable with.
Yeah.
Just give them a wet rag. Clean this light switch for me and this wall with this rag.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. And I'll take this wet rag if you'll help sweep. Does that work?
Sure.
All right. So I'll wipe down the countertops. And do you need some help, or can you do it and then we can do it together afterwards?
I will need some help.
You will need some help. Okay, we can do that. So I'm going to clean the counter. Oh. She's going to finish sweeping. Just show them how to do things and they will help.
Yeah.
And while they're cleaning, I can sit here and clean too. And they are helping. And we're all cleaning. It's that simple. They want to help if you want their help. You just got to tell them what to do. And they would love to help you. You just have to let them. And it's good training for when they get older and they have chores. Because then they know what to do and what to expect and how you like things clean, how to be clean, and they actually enjoy it and they know why. Thank you guys for your help. You are the best.
You're welcome.
Sprinkle the praise. It's pretty much that simple to have kids help you clean, and I just go over it after they're done. They helped wipe it down. They did most of it, and then it makes it more simple for you. Keeps them busy, helps them know what to do, and they enjoy helping because you guys like to be helpers, huh?
Yeah.
You just need to know what to do, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. You guys are the best. High fives all around. You guys did great. Bye, guys.
Hi.